Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will discuss a question related to stroke. So we'll read the question. The nurse is caring for a client with a left-sided weakness from a stroke. When assisting the client to a chair, what should the nurse do? So we know that the client, those who have diagnosed with the stroke, if the left hemisphere is affected, client will have problem with the right side, like right side weakness. And the right hemisphere have problem, the client will have problem with the left side or left side weakness. So in this case, the client have problem in the left side, client have left side weakness. So for that client, when the nurse, she is trying to keep the client on a chair or just transferring the client to the chair. So doing that particular procedure, what is the correct measurement or what is the correct principle that or the step that the nurse should do while assisting? So that is the question. We'll see the options. Option 1, bend at the waist. Option 2, keep the feet close together. Option 3, pivot on the foot proximal to the chair. Option 4, use a transfer belt. So what do you think? Which will be the answer? Before choosing the answer, we'll study some points related to transferring a client or assisting to transfer a client to chair, because this is very important. Sometimes the question scenario will be same, but they will give some other options. They will not give these same options. So we should have a clear idea about all the importance or all the correct statement related to this particular question scenario. So it will be easy for us to pick the correct answer whenever they will change the options or whenever they will change the scenarios. We'll see. When transferring a client from bed to chair, then following are the recommended for client safety. The first one is that client should wear a non-skid shoes. Keep in your mind, non-skid shoes. Then make sure if the bed and chair brakes are locked. Yeah, that is very important, because we know that sometimes the healthcare professionals might be very busy and they might be forget to lock the brakes. So that will be a very serious problem in terms of safety. So always ensure that the brakes are locked, both for the bed and chair, wheelchair. Then the next point, use transfer belt. I think now you might have got the answer. In the question we saw this option. So how to use? A transfer belt worn around the client waist allows the nurse to assist the client while maintaining the proper body mechanics and safety. So that is very easy, and that is the proper principle that will support the body mechanics and safety. So always use a transfer belt. And how it will be connected? It will be worn around the client waist. Then the next point, transfer the client towards the stronger side. That is also very important. Always while we are transferring a client, we should transfer towards the stronger side. Then if the client is weak on the left side, ask the client to pivot on the right side, because the right side is the stronger side. In this question scenario, they told the client to have left side weakness. So the client should be turned to the or pivot to the right side. Then our answer will be what? Out of this 4 options, now we got our answer. Option 4 is our answer. Use a transfer belt. So why other options not our answer? Bend at the waist. As per the body mechanics principle, bend at the waist is not the proper technique. That will put strain on the back on the nurse, because she's using the back for lifting the weight of the client. So that is not the proper body mechanics. Then the another option, second option, they said keep the feet close together. How we can do that one if we'll keep the feet close together? It cannot be. The feet should be wide apart. So that is also, that's why it's wrong. Then the another one, pivot on the foot proximal to the chair. That is wrong. It should be distal to the chair. So that's why we choose the option 4 as the correct one. That is the proper step that we should follow while transferring a client from bed to chair, especially those who have left side weakness due to stroke. So this much for today. Hope it's clear to you. It's a very simple question. I just wanted to confirm you should have an idea about all the points. That's why I discussed all the points related to this one. So please study well and do well for your exams. We'll come with another video on coming days. Bye bye.